Okay guys, it's me Imad. So today in this video tutorial we will learn about how to use a digital to analog converter or DAC within the simulide simulator. So how we can do that? First of all, we can see that we have a lot of components inside the simulide simulator. So here we will write DAC and we got our digital to analog converter here. So you can see that it has multiple inputs and one output, multiple digital inputs and one analog output. So we will try to reduce its bits in order to make it simple. So now we have 4 input bits and one pin for out, or one terminal to take our output as an analog signal. So now we will go and we will take our fixed voltage power supply, drag it out, copy it and paste it out. Again paste it out. Again paste it out. Like this. Like this. So now we can give our logic 0 or logic 1 on these digital inputs. Okay, and we will apply multiple inputs, like multiple digital table type inputs, like digital logic design table. Like 0 0 0 0, 0 0 0 1, 0 0 1 0 and 0 1 0 0, like these things. You can see the DLD logic table on the right hand side. You can see it out. So these are our possible combinations. Now we will take our voltmeter so that we can see the output. So this is our voltmeter. Drag it out like this. Positive end with this out pin and negative end with that of ground. Click on the ground and drag it out. Okay, now we will run it out. So on 0 0 0 0, it is 0 0 0 0, it is 0 volt. Okay, now we will go for 0 0 0 1. Now we got 333.3 millivolt. Okay, now we will go for 0010, it is 666.7 milliampere, and then 0011, it is 1 volt. Okay, and now 100, it is 1.3, then 101 is according to the input table, it is 1.667. Okay, and then 110, it is 2, and then 0111, it is 2.3. Now we will go for 100, it is 2.667, and 1001, it is 3. Okay, and 1010, it is 3.3. 1011, it is 3.667. Okay, and then we will go for our this, that is 111. Okay, like 1011. Okay, and then we will go for 11, and then 00, it is 4, 11, and then we will go for 01, it is 4.3, then 1 1 1 and 0, it is 4.6, and then 1 1 1 and 1, and it is 5. So we can create an output signal, output analog signal, with the help of these 4 digital inputs. So in this way we can create, or we can convert our digital logics or digital digital forms into that of analog signal. So hopefully you got the concept that how you can use the digital to analog converter within the simulide simulator. So thanks for visiting our channel and don't forget to subscribe.